Hello students, good morning everyone. Welcome to Teacher I class. I hope everyone had a great weekend. Okay, before we start our lesson for today, let us recall first. Last meeting, we studied about words with vowel O sound. Okay, do you still remember the words that has vowel O sound? Can you give me word? Hot. Very good. The word hot has O sound. What else? Hot. Very good, students. The word hot also has vowel O sound. Box and fox. Very good, students. Do you remember all the words that has O sound? Okay, today we're going to have an experiment, students. Okay, but before that, let us check this out first. Okay, I will show something to you and then you guess whether this thing will sink or will float in the water. So if you're ready, let's begin. Okay, look the picture, students. Okay, on the left, you will see how sink look like. And on the right, you will see how float look like. Okay, so teacher, I will show some things and then you guess whether it will float or it will sink in the water. So let's start now. Okay, look at the picture, students. Can you tell me what's in the picture, students? It's a balloon. Very good. It's a balloon. So do you think if I put the balloon in the jar with water, do you think the balloon will float or sink? What is your answer? Float. Okay, let's check if your answer is correct. Does the balloon will float in the water? Yes, good job, students. Very good. The balloon float in the water. Okay, next thing I have here. Okay, do you know what's this? We use this when we drink water, we drink soft drinks, and we drink juice. What do you call this thing? It's a glass. Okay, what do you think will happen to the glass if I put it in the water, in a jar with water? Do you think the glass will float or sink in the water? What do you think? Sink. Is that your answer? Sink. Okay, let's check if your answer is correct. Very good. The glass will sink in the water. Wow, good job, students. Okay, let's proceed to the next thing I have here. Okay, do you know what's this? We use this one when we play badminton. Do you know this thing? It's a shuttlecock. Yes, again, shuttlecock. So what do you think will happen to the shuttlecock if I put it in a jar with water? Do you think it will float or will sink in the water? What is your answer? Float? Do you think the shuttlecock will float in the water? Let's check your answer. Very good, students. All right, shuttlecock will float in the water. Next. Okay, what's this? It's an orange. Yes. What do you think will happen to the orange if I put it in a jar with water? Do you think it will float or sink? What is your answer? Sink. Okay, let's check. Very good. The answer is sink. Good job. Okay, let's say it one more time. Okay. Everybody repeat after me. Balloon float in the water. Balloon float in the water. Very good. Next, glass sink in the water. Glass sink in the water. Shuttlecock float in the water. Shuttlecock float in the water. And orange sink in the water. Orange sink in the water. Very good. So in this experiment, students, we will find out why is it there are things float in the water and why there are things sink in the water. Okay, so practice one again. This is how sink look like. Sink is going down, while float. Okay, what is floating? What do you see? A leaf. And how about this one? An apple. So this is how sink and float look like. So are you ready for our experiment today, students? Okay, let's start. Okay, everyone. So look at me. I have here, what's this? Tomato. It's not potato, okay? It's not orange, it's a tomato. I also have here scissor. Spoon, not fork, spoon. I have spoon. I have also key. I have rubber. Coin. I have also a leaf. Cotton. Sponge. And money. So let us find out, students, which of the things I have here will sink and will float in the water. And of course, I have Tupperware with water. Okay, are you ready, students? Let us find out which of the things I have here will sink and which will float in the water. So if you are ready, let's start, students. Okay, let me start with, okay, what's this? Lid. Okay, look at carefully, students. 1, 2, 3. Okay, what happened to the leaf, students? Float. Very good. Everybody say, leaf, float in the water. Let's proceed to the next thing I have here. Okay, let's try the coin. What will happen to the coin if I put it in a jar with water? 1, 2, 3. Okay, what happened to the coin? Sink. Very good. Coin sink in the water. Next, I have here rubber. What will happen to the rubber if I put it in the water? 1, 2, 3. Okay, what happened to the rubber? Float. All right, very good. Rubber float in the water. Good job. Okay. Next, I have here spoon. Let's try. What will happen to the spoon if I put it in the water? 1, 2, 3. Okay, what happened to the spoon? Sink. Yes, the spoon sink in the water. Very good, students. Now let's try to put the sponge in the water. Okay, what do you think will happen? 1, 2, 3. Okay, what happened to the sponge? Float. Okay, everybody say sponge float in the water. Very good. Okay, now let's try to put the seesaw. Okay, let's try to put the seesaw. 1, 2, 3. Okay, what happened to the seesaw? What happened to the seesaw? Sink. Okay, the seesaw sink in the water. Very good. Okay, now let's try to put the tomato in the water. Let's try to put the tomato in the water. 1, 2, 3. Okay, look what happened to the tomato. It float in the water. Very good. The tomato float in the water. Let's try to put cotton. Okay, are you ready? Let's try to put the cotton. 1, 2, 3. Oh, what happened to the cotton? The cotton sink in the water. One more. Cotton sink in the water. Okay, another thing I have here is the key. What will happen to the key if I put it in the water? Okay, 1, 2, 3. What happened to the key? Key sink. Very good. Key sink in the water. Good job, students. Okay, last thing I have here is money. Okay, what will happen to the money if I will put in the water? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, what happened to the money? All right, the money float. Money float in the water. Very good, students. Okay, students, did you like the experiment today? It's okay. You can check, okay? You can try it at home to check whether the things I showed you really float and sink in the water. I hope you enjoy our lesson for today, students. That's all for today. Teacher I will see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.